Do you also agree with the same that most people in our surroundings, they spend most of the part of every working day at some gainful employment, and in this way we are giving the healthy contribution to the society. I think we are all the part of this social circle and we are the part of the society, and you must have seen that we all are working, and in place of that we are getting money for the same, but indirectly or directly we are giving healthy contribution to the progress of the world. Hi folks, welcome back to my channel again. Your friend Shalini this side, and here in this video I have come up with another chapter for book review of Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. So through this chapter we are going to explore the ideas behind the people's occupation, and apart from that what words we are going to use for such varied practitioners. So let's begin with the series. A psychologist is a person or is a practitioner who analyzes the human behavior. Such category of people, they are generally employed by companies or institution in order. What is the main motive for the same? Like I am working in a school, so there we are having counselors or psychologists, so that they are going to analyze the students' behavior. And what is the main motive? They want the productive attitude and healthy environment by opting or by giving certain therapies. So that person is known as a psychologist. So when we talk about the theory of Sigmund Freud, basically this person focuses on the unconscious mindset. So a psychoanalyst or a psychiatric is a person who deals with the, or who tries to elevate the emotional and mental and social conflict of a person. If the person is having the constant feeling of fear, insecurity or anxiety, so that person has to connect, or that person has to deal with psychoanalyst or psychiatric, because that person gives the therapy on the basis of the past experiences, traumas, thoughts, feelings, experiences. So he can opt certain therapies, and sometimes medication is also required. So our next practitioner is known as graphologist, a person who analyzes the handwriting of an individual in order to introspect or to analyze the personality, character or aptitude of a person. So that person is known as graphologist. So this category of person, they are generally called in order to verify the authenticity of written documents, signature, or to clarify whether everything is real or genuine or not. Getting old? No worries. So you have to meet a practitioner, a person who deals with the social, sexual, retirement and other problems of elderly people. So that person is known as gerontologist. Chiropodist is a practitioner who deals with the minor foot injuries or foot problems are there, then you have to meet or consult a chiropodist. A chiropractor is a healthcare professional who is having the specialization in neuromuscular disabilities with a special focus on spine, because in my previous video that I have already told that spine is generally related with neuro problems. So guys, our last practitioner of this video is an osteopath, is a person who performs the natural curing abilities by drugless therapy. Drugless therapy means the person who is focusing on massage, manipulation by stretching, and he is trying to improve the circulation and relieve the any sort of pain in the body. So that natural ability process is done by osteopath. Thank you. I think you have enjoyed this video. If you are liking this series of Word Power Made Easy, the book review which I am doing, you can give a thumbs up. I am trying to do it in a very short and precise way. So if you are appearing for CUET exam, you can go ahead with this series. If you want to explore something in your day-to-day English or day-to-day your journal speaking activity, and apart from that your journey of upskilling English, So go ahead for the same if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions for the same. And I am doing it chapter wise so that you are going to learn the vocabulary words, you are going to learn the one word substitution and the correct pronunciation of the certain words. Hope you are liking it. If you are liking it, you can give the thumbs up for the same. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. God bless all.